DJI RS series. How to connect a camera. Connect to the camera via Bluetooth. Enable Bluetooth on camera. Taking Sony a7S III as an example, set up the camera Bluetooth as follows. Enter the camera menu and select Network 2. Bluetooth. Bluetooth function. On. Go to Networks. Bluetooth remote control. And select On. Select the name of the gimbal used and perform pairing. Taking Canon EOS R5 as an example, set up the camera Bluetooth as follows. Enter the camera menu and select Wireless Settings. Bluetooth Settings. Bluetooth. Enable. Go to Wireless Settings. Wi-Fi Bluetooth connection. And select Connect to Wireless Remote. Short press the Q button and select Drive Mode. Selfie. Set the delay to 1S remote or 2S remote. Go to Settings. Power Saving. Auto Power Off. And select Disable. Switch to Video Mode. And select Shoot and Record. Remote Control. Enable. If you are using a Fujifilm camera, press the menu button. Then select Bluetooth smartphone setting. Pairing registration. In the Setup menu to enter pairing mode. When using a Panasonic camera, go to the Setup menu. Select Bluetooth. Set Bluetooth function to gimbal. Then select Pairing. Gimbal. To enter pairing mode. When using a Nikon camera, go to the Setup menu and select Wireless Remote Options. Save Wireless Remote Controller. To enter pairing mode. Setting up gimbal Bluetooth. Swipe down from the top of the touch screen on the home screen to enter the control center screen. Tap the Bluetooth icon in the upper right corner and select the brand of your camera. The gimbal will scan the Bluetooth signals of the surrounding devices. Select the corresponding camera Bluetooth to connect. Some cameras require a password for pairing. The Bluetooth icon turns blue, indicating connection is successful. Notice. Connect to the camera using camera control cable. Use the camera control cable to connect the camera control port of the gimbal to the USB port of the camera.